Hi all, hope you are all doing good. Today we will discuss about the functions of Reserve Bank of India, which is said to be our central bank which oversees all the banking transactions in India. Before going into details of RBI, its origin and its functions, let's see what exactly is central banking system. Basically, central banking system, as you can see in the slide, is monetary authority or institution that manages the issue and supply of money of a country. So it's any institution which has the authority to supply and issue currency in a country is known as central bank of that country. Some of the most influential central banks in the world are US Federal Reserve System, which is very popularly known as the Fed, European Central Bank, Bank of England. Similarly, Central Bank of India is known as Reserve Bank of India, which is RBI, which is established in the year 1935 on April 1st, where the headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Let's move over to the origin of Reserve Bank of India. How exactly did Reserve Bank of India originated or started operation in India? Back in 1926, it was Hilton Young commissioned a royal commission on Indian currency and finance, which recommended a creation of a central bank for India. Unfortunately, in 1927, it was withdrawn due to the lack of agreement among the various sections of people. Back again in 1933, the White Paper on Indian Constitution Reforms recommended the creation of Reserve Bank. A fresh bill was introduced in the Legislative Assembly. Thus, in 1934, a bill was passed, and in 1935, Reserve Bank started its operations. As you can see that Reserve Bank started its operation as a private shareholders bank. Only after independence in 1949, Government of India nationalized the Reserve Bank under the Reserve Bank Transfer of Public Operation Act 1948. It has to be noticed that in 1935, RBI actually started as a central bank of India. Even it acted as a reserve bank for Burma and Pakistan as well, and it has its headquarters in Calcutta. After independence, the headquarters was shifted to Mumbai, and it was solely responsible for the banking transaction only for India. Let's move over to the functions of Reserve Bank of India. As listed in this slide, these are some of the major functions of Reserve Bank of India. First one is executing the monetary policies of the government, currency management, regulation and supervision of all the banking and non-banking financial institutions. RBI acts as a banker to all the banks, and it also acts as a banker to central and state governments. Regulation of money, foreign exchange and government securities are being done by RBI. Management of foreign exchange reserves and foreign exchange management is also another important function of RBI. Other than all these monetary functions, RBI also take care of non-monetary functions like developmental activities and research and statistics. Let's get into details of each and every function. Let's start with the first one, executing of monetary policy. As we can see that the first and the important function of Reserve Bank of India is monetary policy. According to the economic situation, RBI through its monetary policy try to maintain financial stability in the country. This is one of the most important functions of RBI, as it regulates the issue of bank notes and keeping the reserves within the view to secure monetary stability in India. The major objective of monetary policy in India are to maintain price stability, to ensure adequate flow of credit to all the productive sectors for supporting growth, and to achieve financial stability. So basically, RBI through its monetary policy try to maintain financial stability in a country. How do they do that? How do RBI